My name is Muhammad Syami Izzuddin bin Kamaluddin. I'm from DPI 3B. My matrix number is 08 DPI 19F1053. I have had the opportunity to use a wide range of vacuum cleaner. Having a great vacuum cleaner, it is critical for people with carpet. But it's also, I have seen many people who have expensive vacuum cleaner sitting in their closet. Well, when they go to plug them in their vacuum cleaner, they have absolutely zero suction. It is communicated to you, and that message is simple, clean. So without any further ado, I will show you how to clean your vacuum cleaner. The first step is you have to make sure to unplug your vacuum cleaner. For the second step, for my vacuum cleaner using a washable filters. Okay, and then beat out all the dust and hair and run it under cool water until it's clean, then put it aside and let it dry before assembling it. For the third step, you have to clean the canister. To clean the canister, you have to empty it out, all the dust in there. Okay, for the middle part, you have to knock out all the dust and debris. Take a toothbrush and brush out the holes. Okay, for the fourth step, you have to clean out your hose. For my vacuum cleaner, you need to press it a little to unplug it from the vacuum. This is another main culprit for suction loss. You have to stick a broom handle down to the hose to make sure there are no obstruction in there.